Hello, and thanks for joining us for this Altair HPC Works tutorial showing how to set up and confirm a maintenance reservation in PBS Professional. Using reservations for maintenance will allow for more efficient use of resources and help prevent negative impacts to users' workloads. You can find additional information on this topic and many others in the Administrator's Guide, which can be found with all the HPC Works documentation at www.altair1.com. As we begin this tutorial, we see that the PBS master node has its host name set to PBS Pro node, and the execution nodes are named Node 1 and Node 2. We have three windows on the screen here. On the top, we have the master node terminal. On the bottom left, we have the execution node 1 terminal showing the activity of that execution node. And on the bottom right, we have the terminal for execution node 2 that will show node 2's activity. Checking the PBS job list, we see that it is currently empty. So first, we will review the job script that will be used on these tests. Next, we will submit two jobs and confirm that the execution nodes are configured correctly and are ready to compute jobs. Okay, great. Both jobs completed successfully. Now, we'll review the PBS node list and the status of each execution node. Checking the current date and time, we see that it is 13:37 in the afternoon. So using the client command PBS_RSUB, we create a maintenance reservation for today that will take around 2 minutes. This reservation will reserve the execution node selected on the list for maintenance, and they will not accept jobs during this reservation. Our maintenance reservation takes both of our execution nodes, Node 1 and Node 2, and we'll set our maintenance reservation to start on May 5th, 2023 at 13:39 and finish on May 5th, 2023 at 13:41. Okay, the reservation was confirmed by the PBS server and we get an ID, M29. Using the client command PBS_RSTAT, we can confirm the status of our reservation. We review the PBS node list. Both execution nodes are still free because the reservation time hasn't started yet. Reviewing the reservation information using PBS_RSTAT's client command will give us more details. Now we'll monitor the time and wait for the beginning of the reservation. The execution node's status will change only after the reservation starts. Now, once the reservation starts, we can see that the new status of the execution nodes will be set to Reserv-exclusive. So we will submit two jobs to confirm if the execution nodes are really reserved and not accepting jobs. Okay, we can see both jobs remain in the queue. So using the client command qstat and full report parameter -f, we can see why the jobs haven't started. PBS does not have any free nodes available that satisfy the jobs requests from the queue. Both execution nodes are reserved, and we can double check that the reservation ID M29 is using the execution nodes. Once the maintenance reservation finishes, it reaches the end of the time period at 13:41, we can see that the jobs will automatically start. On the bottom, we can see both terminals show that the jobs are loaded and computed. And on the PBS job list, we can see that the jobs have started. On the PBS node list, we can see that the execution node states have changed from Reserv exclusive to free. Okay, So we've successfully demonstrated how to create a reservation that prevents specific execution nodes from accepting new jobs during a specified window of time so we can perform maintenance. Thanks for watching, and look out for more tutorials coming soon.